Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NAPH, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe button and share the link of the channel to somebody out there. Alright, so let's get right into this question. It says in triangle XYZ, so let's represent triangle. Our solution, well, triangle like this. So we have XYZ, so this can be X, this we have as Y, and this we have as Z. So angle X is 110 degrees. So what it means is this angle is giving us 110 degrees. Okay. Now it says length X is 15 centimeters. What do we mean by length X? Length X simply means the opposite, to this angle. So this gives us our length X, which is what 15 centimeter, and our length Y is what 10 centimeter. So our length Y is going to be opposite this angle. Remember this angle Y. So opposite this angle gives us our length Y, which is what 10 centimeter. So the question says we should find what angle XYZ. So what does it mean by find angle XYZ? So this means angle, so angle XY Z simply means we have to find what? This angle at the middle. That means angle what? Y. Okay? We can still write this as X, Y, that's angle Y, and Z. Okay? Most times you can see it represented in this way or this way. Alright, so it means we need to find this angle. And from this, what mathematical concept or formula we can apply? We can apply what we call the sine what? The sine rule. So what is the sine rule? Now, why am I applying the sine rule? I can see that two lengths are given and one of the angles inside is also given. Okay, for the sine rule on this, okay, I can simply write that length x, so let's say x divided by what? Sine x degree, okay, is equals to what? Length y divided by what? Sine y degree, okay, is equals to what? Length z divided by what? Sine z degree. So from that expression, we can observe that from the question, we know that our x is given, okay, x is given, our x is given, y, length y is given, okay, all right, we also have angle x given. So we are meant to find angle what? Y. So we have to substitute, the values. So my length x is 15. So I have this as what? 15 centimeter. Divide, okay, sine x. So I have sine, okay, x, which is what? 110 degree is equals to what? Length y. Our length y is what? 10 centimeter divided by what? Sine y. So sine y is this angle which we are to look for. Okay. So we have this, represented in this form for us to find sine y. So all we need to do is to make what? Y the subject of the formula. Okay. Now, the first step is we want to what? Cross, okay, multiply. So let's cross multiply and see what that gives us. So sine y is going to multiply 15, so I have 15 centimeter multiplied by what? Sine y degree, which is equals sine 110 is going to multiply 10 centimeter. So we have 10 centimeter sine, okay, 100 and what? 10 degree. Okay. Now that we have that, okay, we can now what? Make sine y subject. How do we do that? We are going to divide both sides by 15 centimeter. So this is going to divide, we are going to divide by 15 centimeter, and this we are going to divide by 15 centimeter. That this can cancel out, this is 1, so we are left with what? our sine y degree is equals to what? Now this is what? Centimeter can cancel centimeter, so we have 10 times. So what is sine 110? If you press your calculator, you should be having 0.9369, okay? Divide, we have 15, okay? So we can multiply 10 times what? 0.93969. So that will give us what? We have sine y degree. Means I'm going to shift this one place. So it's going to give us 9.396. Okay, 9. So all these divided by what? 15. Okay. Now if we divide 9.3969 by 15, what would that give us? That's going to give us, okay, 0.6264 and so on. All right, so we have sine y degree as equals to 0.6264. So what becomes our y? We are going to take the sine inverse of both sides. So our y degree is going to be sine inverse of what? 0.6264. Okay, so let's use our calculator to press this and see what y gives us. So y is going to give us, we have 38.78 and so on. Okay, so our value of y, okay, in this problem is simply what? 38.78 degree. So that gives us the solution to this question. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, do well to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.